Our next story concerns a startling revelation about the quality of cough syrups that are being manufactured. Now, according to a report by India's Central Drug Standard Control Organization, nearly about 50 companies that are in the business of producing cough syrups in India have reportedly failed quality tests. And this comes in the wake of reports linking the Indian manufactured cough syrups to 141 child fatalities worldwide. Now, according to the CDSEO, out of over 2,000 reports released till October this year, 128 investigations had shown 54 firms producing substandard drugs. Now, the Food and Drug Laboratory in Gujarat had analyzed nearly about 385 samples. 51 of the 20 manufacturers had investigated did not meet the required standards. Now, take a look at some of the similar figures from different Indian cities. The scrutiny stems from the World Health Organization's findings linking these Indian-manufactured cough syrups to about 70 child deaths in the West African nation, Gambia. The deaths were caused due to the acute kidney failure after consumption of this cough syrup. In response, the Drug Controller General of India had told the state drug controllers to prioritize analysis of cough syrup samples for export. Now, as a standard operating procedure, it was mandatory for the exporters to test cough syrups in government laboratories before they were exported. They were expected to obtain a certificate before export. The procedure has been in effect from the 1st of June this year. In an unrelated incident last week, 5 people died and 2 others fell severely sick in Gujarat's Kheda district. They reportedly had consumed some kind of an Ayurvedic syrup that allegedly had contained methyl alcohol. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.